Hello boys and girls, how you guys doing, and welcome back to the vlog. Right now I'm getting all my snow gear ready because last night we got a major blizzard, and I'm gonna shovel my neighbor's walkway because she's all elderly and stuff. So me and my brother, they're gonna help out. Right now they're gonna find my boots and my winter jacket, which I think they're downstairs. So without further ado, let's get this vlog started, boys and girls. Okay guys, I'm waiting for my brother to have some breakfast, and then both of us are gonna go outside and shovel our asses off. Sadly, I won't be able to vlog because I don't want to break my phone while I'm doing it. So when I get back in, I will vlog a little. Make a nice hot shower. Have some have some hot chocolate, then relax for the rest of the day. Yes. And that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. So sorry that this vlog is boring as hell. But I think you guys are gonna see me in my snow gear right about now. Alright guys, I'm going outside. Wish me luck. Hey guys, it has been a long time since I've vlogged. I've been warming up. I haven't vlogged, as you could have seen, the extreme difference. I'm now all warmed up. I have a shirt on now. I spent the last hour and a half without a shirt on. Don't ask me why. But right now, I am gonna edit the vlog. It's like 4 o'clock, and I haven't even edited the vlog a little, which is very, very bad. I thought on my day up, I would get the vlog up early, but honestly, I had bit off more than I could chew because it is freezing outside. It is freezing outside, fam. It is freezing cold outside right now. I am about to begin editing the vlog. That my mom is walking by on the phone. Don't know why, but yeah. Today is yeah. The rest of the day, I'm not going anywhere. Like, there's no way in hell I am going anywhere that involves leaving my house. And oh crap, it seems I misnamed the folder of today's vlog. No, wait, I did it. I did that, right? What the hell? Oh, I see what I did. Oh, I see what I did. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense now, fam. I didn't put the number sign before the 40 from yesterday's footage. So, yikes. Here we go, that's better. Now, Dad, today, yesterday's vlog footage And let's see what today's vlog is gonna be. Ooh, 36 minutes. Yay! A 36-minute vlog for you people. Gonna take a while for the footage to be available for editing. Sorry, I faltered on my words there. But I'm gonna do that, upload the vlog, then I will let you guys know when the vlog is uploading, which should be right about now. Okay guys, it has been a while since I vlogged. because holy crap, it is hell outside. Whatever you shovel, it comes back in a minute. But right now, I am watching Last Man Standing right here.
You officially have more dislikes than friends. Hey, there should be a term for that.
I am having some Caesar salad right here. The vlog is now rendering after trying for like almost 2 hours. I can finally relax and enjoy the rest of the night, guys. By shiny egg hatching, I hope I get this Charmander because it's really starting to piss me off. But when I'm done with, but I will let you guys know when the vlog is uploading, which will be right about now. Okay, boys and girls, today's vlog is finally uploading. It's like almost 7:30. Really sorry about that. Going up like, wait, 4 hours late. I'm sorry, I had to do the math now. I'm still watching Last Man Standing. I'm still Masuda methoding the shiny Charmander. I have hatched about, let me do the math here. 150 eggs. Wait, hold on, I'm wrong. 155! 56, 57, 58, 59, yep, that hatched 155 eggs. Haven't gotten a bloody shiny. My god, believe me, if Charmander were wild, I would have gotten like 7 of them. Okay. Oh shit.
That you didn't do this with a little help from some of these.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Studying for those finals was like the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life, and you guys don't think I could have done that on my own. Mom? Yeah, I don't know, man. You've never gotten to
Right now, I am updating. Right now, I'm updating the list. 139, 14. Oh shoot. Normal. I'm starting to hate that word. Well, I don't know why. I am a very long stretch from normal. If anyone has known me more than 4 or 5 years, they probably know me like a freaking buck. But it's honestly both good and you're bad. 52, 53, 54, 55. Bingo! Here we go. Get back on my feet. The latest vlog, like I said in the beginning, is now uploading. Vlog number 41. Cooking in Dahab and saw a real life Pokemon. I did not mention it. The reason being the dog who looked like a real life Rockruff wouldn't stop freaking moving, so I could not get the clear enough photo, as you see in the thumbnail. if you want to see the real life Don Rockruff, just look at the thumbnail of today's vlog. Then also during the week, I will upload the image on one or more of my social medias. Probably Instagram, then Twitter once I get the file over. But no worries, you guys will see that on Facebook right as soon as I didn't post the notification of the latest vlogs because my head has been all over the freaking place. So sorry guys, but vlog 41 is 14%. Then I will check back with you guys when the vlog is available, then finish uploading, then processing, which I believe should be right about now. Okay, boys and girls, the new vlog is finally up. 5 hours, 5.5, wait, yeah. 5.5 hours late, so sorry for the lateness, but I hope you guys enjoy. Right now I'm watching the Game Shakers. I'm going through the Elite Four. I'm going to resume the shiny hatching tomorrow morning when I'm in day half. If I do have it, then I'm going to hang out for the rest of the night. Alright, boys and girls, that is going to wrap it up for today's vlog. Make sure you smash that like button like it was your job, like your life depended on it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Then also, make sure you hit that most notification button so you never miss a vlog. Then I'll see you boys and girls tomorrow. Peace!